Well, we are in for a risk of more severe weather, both today and tomorrow. Tomorrow's risk is going to shift off to the far eastern plains. Today, we're still going to see a few of those storms a little closer to the metro area. Temperature-wise, things starting to also heat up. You're going to find early on this morning 60s, 50s in some spots as you step out the door. But as things start to heat up, some of those storms will get a little bit stronger for us. So here up along the Front Range today, from a marginal to even a slight risk, that's going to be up and over the northeastern plains. And you can see that here shaded in green and yellow. As far as the weekend goes, again, a little drier. When you look at our rainfall forecast today, better chance for some of those storms out east. We're going to see a few more roll off the foothills tomorrow afternoon, and I'll show you what it looks like on Futurecast. And then heading into next week, more sunshine, drier weather Monday into Tuesday. We're looking at some drier conditions, and it definitely gets hotter at that point, more near triple-digit heat at that point. Storms developing after about 3 o'clock today. We're going to see 80s today, back in the 90s tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to start our next streak of 90-degree heat. Fewer storms, though, expected here this coming weekend. Right now, beautiful view from Lookout Mountain, little mix of sun and clouds. That smoke that's in the air is going to make for a really pretty sunrise. Unfortunately, not the best, obviously, to breathe in. And we are going to see some hazy skies off and on over the next few days. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast. And again, right around about 12 to 1 o'clock, you'll start to see a few storms pop up in the mountains. So if you're heading up to go camping or hiking this weekend, we'll see a chance for some afternoon storms developing between about 12 and 2. Here in town, it's likely going to be after 3. Timing-wise, it's very similar to what we saw yesterday. So we'll hit highs in the upper 80s and then cool off down into the 70s, closer to commute time tonight. So really pleasant. We'll be watching spots like Greeley, Akron, Sterling out east there, closer to Lyman for some of those stronger storms a little later on today and tonight. Overnight, clear skies, 60s and some 50s early tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, right around about 90 degrees. A few more thunderstorms, so still a little bit of an active pattern. Take a look at the Super 7 Day, though. Less active next week, but definitely hotter. We're at about 95 on Monday. It's going to be some near triple-digit heat. Likely Tuesday and Wednesday, Jason, 2 of the hottest days. I think this next streak of 90-degree heat is going to be our longest one that we've seen so far this summer. We saw a 6-day streak earlier in the month, and now we're going to see, I think, a little bit longer here with this one.
Let's streak it real good.
Ba, ba, na, 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 na.